again you all are welcome by being to the RK Campus Academy. So first of all, very elegant and most respected and good morning to you all.
Good morning.
Thanks for sponsor. First of all, my introduction. Myself, I'm Kopde. My father name is Mr. Raj Kopde. My mother name is Laliba Kopde. I like banana. I dislike more drinking. I want to be a good speaker in my life, and I'm studying BSc study in the college from Bhoj Open University. And now today I want to share some of the perspective. The Rahman धागा प्रेम का मत तोड़ो चटकाए टूटे पे फिर ना जुड़े जुड़े गाढ़ पर जाए. As you know, in this stanza they can be able to learn so many things, but I want to explain this something about in our life. As you know, you can watch in their society that so many people are earning money, they can be able to destroy it also. But one time if you earn any kind of the belief in any kind of the people in their society, when it's gone once never come back again. As you can earn anything, any kind and any place. When one time your belief and your in your in your respect has been lost by in yourself, you cannot be able to earn again. As you mentioned in these lines and in this stanza, as if I give the example in our society, just like one pupil used to do their work and continue in his farm, and other people farm also. What is actually happened one day? He stolen some of the crops from the fields, and he was a very respected pupil. After this, sometimes they can realize. After this, sometimes they have lost his job. What is actually learned by them? If your behavior, if your goodness come in your life, you can be able to create any kind of the relationship in any place. As you know, in this lines, in this story, small story, we can understand one thing, that if you will fall any kind of the pen, it's gone on the earth. Just like it's, if they will able to want any kind of the behavior, any kind of the respect, if you want to get any kind of the people, you must have to make yourself as you want to make the polite, as you make to make yourself behavior good. As I know that any kind of the relationship goes live along by your connectivity, by your behavior. As you know, in our society, as in the coaching also, there's so many the students comes learns gone. What is actually happen? Only few students are stay here and giving to respect that coaching. As you know, so that is things must be learned by us. If you are learn anything, if you earn anything by any people, so also you have to give respect as much you can be able to give, as much also they gives you. So that is must be learned by in this stanza. Thank you and have a nice day.